Hello dear friends, welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to see your Instagram password. Okay, to see your Instagram password, you open your Instagram account like this, and then you tap on the profile icon. Once you tap on the profile icon, you click on the three lines by the top right corner. At the bottom right here, click on settings, and then tap on security. Okay, at the third line, click on save login info. Okay, you can see that my login info is saved. So if yours is not saved already, you just have to tap on it and save. Okay, then let's go back to login security and tap on password. So on Instagram, you can see that there is no way to see your password on Instagram app, but I'm going to be showing you a way to see your Instagram password. Okay, but before I go ahead, I would like to ask that you kindly hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon so you won't miss out on any of my videos. Okay, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up so others can benefit from this video. So to see your Instagram password, you have to open your browser like this. I'm using Chrome browser. You open your Chrome browser and then tap on the three lines by the top right corner and then scroll down to settings. When you tap on settings, you click on password. Right here you see your username and your password. Okay, so to see your password, you're going to click on the eyes icon to see your password. Or maybe you want to copy your password, you click on the box icon by the left and then copy your password. Okay, let me just tap on the box icon. You need to put in your PIN or your fingerprints and it have copied. Okay, so this is how to see your password, your Instagram password. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed and hit the notification bell to always be the first to be notified each time I upload a new video like this. Okay, see you in my next video.